This is how to use the anime section in Leonardo AI. In the preset dropdown, make sure it's set to Anime General. This prompt will guide the AI to generate an image of Naruto with a high-definition look, a fire background, and possibly even including the nine-tailed fox spirit in some form. It did a good job, but it could have done a better job with making the same Naruto as in the anime. Maybe next time we can just use seed. Let's try a more complex prompt. Finally, Leonardo is showing the potential that it has. This are some better images. Each image brings a unique angle, from powerful stances to the dramatic chakra swirls that make Naruto look unstoppable. If you're a Naruto fan or love anime-style art, now let's try a new prompt to see how flexible the AI is. In the next example, the prompt used is Roman soldier. This demonstrates how versatile Leonardo AI's anime preset is, letting you go beyond traditional anime themes. You can continue experimenting with different themes or characters by modifying your prompt. Leonardo AI is great for creating a variety of anime scenes and characters, limited only by your imagination.